Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is a special video because I have joined a support group called Rbsg, and it stands for Random Beauty Support Group, and each month we are given a word and a look to create around that word, and you're going to see 12 videos and it's going to be random times during the month, and there's going to be a new person in charge of each month. So this month is Alicia, and her word that she was given is called leash. And what she wanted us to do around that word is create something that we've been wanting to try, whether it be a makeup look or a technique or just anything we've been wanting to do for a while, and we haven't either done it or just haven't had time to fit it in with other videos or whatnot. So today I'm going to create a look using a hack that I have seen. I love watching beauty and makeup hacks. So this is a hack that I have seen using a spoon to create a cut crease. So I'm going to use this spoon to create a cut crease eyeshadow look, and hopefully it turns out really nice. I don't know, we'll see. It's going to be fun regardless. So please check out the playlist and visit all of my friends that belong to this playlist. There are 12 of us, and we are all doing a different look around this word. So check it out, subscribe to their channels. There are a bunch of talented, beautiful women that belong to the support group, and I'm so excited to be part of this season 2 of Rbsg. So thank you for inviting me, and we're going to jump right into this video. Again, I'm still going to do my normal Wednesday videos, my normal Friday videos. These are just something extra within the month that I'm going to add. So I'm probably not going to talk a whole lot during this video because we do have to keep it to a specific time frame. So I'm just going to jump right in and see how this turns out. I did opt for a smaller spoon because the one that I had looked too big, and this one kind of looks like it'd be better. I don't know. We'll see. It did kind of work. I mean, it gave me a start for what I want to do here. I kind of look really goofy right now, but it did kind of give me a nice clean line to work with. So I mean, we'll see how this turns out. You do have to kind of make sure that you get it nice and even on both sides, which I didn't quite do, but it's okay. It's going to work. Okay guys, here is the completed look. I actually think using the spoon to do this cut crease turned out pretty good. I mean, I think here, I will go in a little bit more. I think it turned out really cool, actually. I'm really kind of shocked and surprised that it actually worked. And again, I think using a spoon to create a cut crease is a really great idea for someone brand new, just practicing and trying to figure out how to do it. I think it worked pretty well, and I'm really happy with the way the look came out today. So if you did like this video, give it a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe, and also remember to hit that playlist that is linked down below and watch all of these beautiful women with the looks that they've created. And I really think you're going to love them all. Please like their videos, please subscribe to their channels, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye.